What do you hate? What do you hate?
I hate the squirrel.
Why?
Take a picture of the squirrel.
What? Why do you hate him?
No.
I'll take a picture of him, but why do you hate him?
I don't want that.
You don't want that?
No.
Oh, but you hate him because you don't want it?
Because
Why do you hate him?
she thinks that it's going to bite her if she doesn't try and touches it.
She does? Do you think it's going to bite you? Oh, if you stay away from him, he won't bite you.
Bite you?
Oh, yeah, they can. Ted got bit by a squirrel last year.
No, he will bite me. I will cry.
Yes, you will cry. It would hurt, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Was it like a dog?
Mm-hmm.
Was it bleeding?
Yeah. He even went to the hospital to make sure that he didn't have rabies.
The squirrel bit my toe.
A squirrel bit your toe?
No, he did it.
Oh, he didn't. Oh, let's go take a... Oh, there's the squirrel. Yeah, I got... Oh, he's back there. Yeah.
Let me see.
Right, you're... okay.
Zoom in. Over there.
It's okay.
Take a picture over there. He
Okay.
got